previous session we have seen ratio based questions and then number based two numbers they have seen two numbers, sum of two numbers, difference of two numbers, that kind of question. After that, 2-digit number, that type of question. Okay, after that anything else did we see yesterday? No. So now today we are going to see age related question and this money matters and speed related questions, speed distance related. Okay, so age related question. See, observe this question. A father is father is 3 times old as his son. A father is 3 times old as his son. After 12 years, his age, you memorize the answer. After 12 years, his age will be twice as that of his son. Then find their present age. Or else, see, look at this question. A father is 3 times old as his son. After 5 years, his age will be 2.5 times as old as his son. Okay, represent the situation algebraically. Whenever these age related questions are there, we need to write their name, father, son, and the timeline, present, past, future, whatever it is mentioned. Present age have they given? A father is yes, a father is 3 times as old as his son. So son's age is x, father's age is 3x. Okay, and after 5 years, so after 5 years now what is this? Else x and y, right? Linear equation we are seeing. We'll take this is x, father's percentage is x, son's percentage is y, and x is equals 3y. Father is thrice as old as his son, linear equation, that is y. And then after 5 years, so in future now plus 5 years, what were their ages? Father's age is x plus 5, son's age is y plus a. Okay, y plus 5. After 5 years, his age will be, his age now, whose age? Father. Initially, first person, what we said? Father. So his age, it is x plus 5 will be verb equal to 2.5 times as old as his son. 2.5 times now what? 2.5 times as old as his son. Okay, clear? So this is 5 by 2 now. Let it be 5 by 2, y plus 5. Then we have 2x plus 10 is equals. So we have 2x minus 5y is equals 15. This is equation 2, that is equation 1. We have to substitute that here. Okay. Then we can find the answer. 3y if you substitute means what you will find? 6y minus 5y is equals 15, then y is equals 15. Then x is equals 45, that is it. Oh, this is that question, man, what you said, 1545. Same like another question, see. A father is 3 times old as his son. After 12 years, here future is what? 12 years. After 12 years, his age will be twice as that of his son then. So after 5 years, his age will be yes, then see x is equals 3y, equation 1. So plus 12 years na, instead of 5 we can use 12. So his age, whose age? Father's age, that is x plus 12 will be twice that of his son's age then. That is it. Then you will be getting x plus 12 is equals 2y plus 24 and you will get x minus 2y is equals 12. So these two we have to simplify. So then y is equals 12. When you substitute x is 3y. Then x is equals 48. Okay. Yes man, 3 times 12. Oh sorry, 3 times 12, that is 6. My bad. Okay. Any doubts in this? Next step. Okay, look at this question. I think this is in your book. Jacob. Age related question, man. Jacob, that type of question. Yes. 5 years hence, read the question. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What is their present age? So, whenever this age related question, we have to put 3 boxes I said, right? The persons who are involved, their name, present, past, future. So, Jacob and son we are discussing, right? Jacob and son. What is Jacob and son's present age? Yes. Yes, box you can put, not a problem. In exam also you can put. Let, like you can write. So, x is the present age of Jacob. Y is the present age of his son. Okay. And they read the question. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times of his son. 5 years hence, after 5 years. Okay. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What is their present age? That is the question, right? What are their present age? Present age, do you know? So, x and y. What time period past they discussed? 5 years ago. Okay. 5 years ago. What are their ages? X minus 5, y minus 5. Okay. What future is there? 5 years hence. Okay. So, plus 5 years hence. So, here it is x plus 5, y plus 5. Okay. Now, given that the relation between 5 years ago, past ages, the relation between future ages they will give. Now, read the question. 5 years hence. 5 years hence now, what is that? Past or future? So, 5 years hence, the age of Jacob. Which is the age of Jacob? X plus 5 is equal to. Come on, read it, read. 3 times y plus 5. Got it? Because future, 5 years hence. 5 years hence, father's age will be 3 times the son's age. And 5 years ago, so these two we have to relate. X minus 5 equals to 7 times y minus 2. Got it? We just go applying this method, okay? Past, present, future. Clear? When you identify what are their ages at that particular time, the relation can be easily derived. Got it? Okay. Now, father, son, okay. The present age of a father is 3 years more than 3 times ago of his son. 3 years hence, the father's age will be 10 years more than twice the age of the son. Determine their present ages. I'll write the question, don't worry. Board exam question, man. The present age of question number 4, I think. The present age of father is 3 years more than 3 times the age of his son. If possible, you also write it along with me. 3 years hence, the question, man. The father's age will be 10 years more than twice the age of the son. Find their present ages. Okay. Now, what are all the characters involved here? Okay, our table. Father, son. Time periods. Past, present in the middle. Past. And then future. Present age, do we know? The present age of the father is 3 years more than 3 times the age of his son. We'll come back later. You know what is their present ages? So let father's age be X, son's age be Y. Okay. 3 years hence, future or past? Future. So plus 3 years. So this is X plus 3, son's age is Y plus 3. That is it. Past, it is not there. Okay. Clear? Now, observe the question. So, these are the ages at the mentioned time period. Now, we have to convert this everything into equation. The present age of father. What is present age of father? X. Is. Is means what, man? Is means what? Equal to. Okay. 3 years more than. So, 3 years more, 3 plus 3y, 3 times the age of his son. Okay. So, relation between these two. Finished. So, this we have to write it like given that. Okay. And 3 years hence. So, these ages. The father's age. 3 years hence father's age is what? X plus 3 will be verb. Yes, verb man. 10 years more. 10 plus twice the age of his son. That is all. 2 times y plus 3. Got it? Find their present age. Easy. What is our equation 1 from this? X minus 3y equals 3. 1. This is x plus 3 is equals 10 plus 2y plus 6. So we have x minus 2y equals 13. Okay. Yes man. 16 minus 3. That is equation 2. How can you solve this equation and tell me what are their percentages? Yes. Y is equals 10. Okay. Father's age is $33. Good. Next one. Yeah, this is about age related question. Okay. Next, fixed charge questions. Fixed charge na. Like we have some questions. Taxi charges in a city. Is the question there is part of your NCERT book? Take the taxi question. Shall I erase this? Everything? Okay, good. So money matters we are entering. The cost of bat, the cost of ball, that type of question all you can do, right? Cost of 2 bats and 3 balls is equals. Okay, that is easy. Okay, the fixed charge question only different. So the taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge with the charge for distance covered. Okay, so you understood the situation, right? Taxi charges in a city consist of fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is rupees 105. And for a journey of 25 km, the charge paid is rupees 155. What are the fixed charge and what are the charges per kilometer? How much does a person have to pay for traveling distance of 25 km? Okay, 25 km they already gave, no? 155, that's all. What's the question? Come on. Okay. See, no. When you are getting on the taxi itself, you have to pay the fixed charge. You booked a cab, taxi. You got inside. Suddenly you plan cancel, you come out. Fixed charge you have to pay. 50 rupees. Yes. After that, each distance is covered, right? That one is varying. After that, you didn't travel any other kilometer. Suppose you travel 2 kilometers now, that cost will be applicable for that only. So, two types of cost. So, let X be the fixed charge and Y be the charge. Rupees Y, rupees extra important. Be the charge per kilometer. Now, for 10 kilometer, that is given. So, given that for 10 kilometer, you get on to the taxi, this amount you have to pay fixed charge. How much distance you traveled? 10 kilometer Y. For 1 kilometer Y rupees. 10 kilometer 10 into Y. Okay. Though how much he paid in total? Fixed charge plus this. Journey of 10 kilometer he paid 105 rupees. Okay. And for 25 kilometers. You get on to the taxi. You have to pay X rupees. Plus how much distance you traveled? Per kilometer Y rupees. 25 kilometer? 25 times Y rupees equals 155. Okay. That is all. Solving 1 and 2. You got any confusion? Your question has different numbers, is it? Yes, read the question, please. Oh, 15 kilometer 155. Okay. Okay. My book has typos. It is 15 kilometer. Then here also 15, man. Got it? Then for 25 kilometers you need to find. Now solving 1 and 2. How do we solve 1 and 2? How we have to write first? Solving 1 and 2 by what method? All the question we have to write. Previously we didn't write for age related question. What method you have to apply? Elimination or substitution. By elimination method we have x plus 10y is equals 105, x plus 15y is equals 155. So minus, these two gets cancelled. So we have minus 5y is equals, then y is equals 10. Okay, and therefore x is equals what? 5 rupees. Substitute there, man. So fixed charge is 5 rupees. When you get onto the taxi, 5 rupees you have to pay. Each distance travelled for per kilometer 10 rupees. Now how much, the question written end, man, how much does a person have to pay for travelling for distance of 25 kilometers? How? For 25 kilometer, same, x na fixed charge 5 plus 25 times what is our variable cost? 10. So it is 255 rupees. So whenever a question has double answer, be aware of the question. Okay. Clear? Okay. And lending library, very important question, Ra. What is that question? Lending library question. Exercise. Oh, my book is not having the question. Oh, sorry, exercise 3.4. 3.4, fifth one. a lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Okay. Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, while Susi paid rupees 21 for book kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and charge for extra day. Fixed charge applicable how many days? 3 days. After that, each extra day, the person has to pay the cost per day, right? Same thing. So, X is the fixed charge here. Y is the charge per day. Now, very important, given that for 7 days, Sarita paid how much? 27 rupees. Okay. So, fixed charge for first 3 days. Remaining how many days are there? 4y. 4 days that variable cost should be applied. Okay. Equals 27. And for 5 days, x plus 2y. First 3 days will be covered here. Okay. So, equals 21. That is it. Solving these two. Short manner I am solving. You have to solve fully. So, x will get cancelled. 4 minus 2 na 2y equals 6. Y is equals 3. When you substitute y is equals 3, x is equals 15. That is it. Any extra questions are there? No. So, therefore, the fixed charge is rupees 15 and the charge for extra day is rupees 3. That is it. Any doubts on this? What, man? You should not get yourself confused. That's the whole point. You can interchange that also, not a problem. Y is the fixed charge, X is the variable cost also, you can change. But at last, while writing the answer, you have to write. These X and Y value will come interchanged. So, if you interchange here means, here it will be interchanged. X is equals 3, Y is equals 15. But at last, I told you to write in the context of the question. Therefore, the fixed charge. Therefore, the charge per day, cost per day. Okay. Got it? Okay, now, see the above question. Meena went to bank to withdraw. Yes. See, whenever these money related things are there, money related or value related things, okay, there will be always two types of equations. One is on the number of things, other one is value of those things. Okay. Now observe Meena, what she said. Meena went to a bank to withdraw 2000 rupees. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and 100 rupees notes. Meena got 25 notes in all. Okay. Find how many notes of 10 rupees and 50 rupees she received. Why don't we directly ask Meena? Hey Meena, count how many 50 rupees, how many 100 rupees. Oh, Meena's phone number is not given here. We can't ask her. That is why we need to work it out. So, the number of notes. How many is the, so what are all the denominations available? So, X is the number of 50 rupees notes. Y is the number of 100 rupees notes. Altogether, how many notes she received? 25. So, it is simply X plus Y is equals 25. What comes after is really important. And the value of these notes, man. 150 rupees notes means 50 rupees. 250 rupees notes means 2 times 50. 350 rupees notes means 3 times 50. X 50 rupees notes means X times 50, that is 50X plus then 100Y equals 2000. So this is the value and this is the count. Okay. Now this can be simplified by 50 table directly. So X plus 2Y is equals 400. 400, sorry, 40. Okay. Then these two equations we can solve. X plus Y is equals to, by elimination method, everything we have to write. So minus minus minus. These two gets cancelled. We have Y is equals 15. Got it? Clear? This is it, man. And that's all I think, is it? Okay, now I'll give you some questions. What you're going to do is, you're going to frame the equations like this. Just a minute.